Ayazami, go up. Go up. Okay, you can just pass. Let her go slowly. You can go ahead of her. But watch her arms so that you don't step on her hands.
Hello friends, have you subscribed? Like, share and subscribe to Viola's Diary. I need you to be here with me. So later today in the evening we're going to make fish. We're going to make ugali. As Kenyans, we know that fish goes perfectly well with ugali and greens. That is what we're going to cook in the evening, and that's what we're doing here. And also during the day now we're going to have a good time with the kids and do some activities here and there. We're going to the trampoline. We're going to do a lot of stuff. So you guys stick here till the end. Enjoy the show. Just walk with us throughout the day. So my fish is almost done. You saw earlier that I deep fried the fish, and I also had some fish that I had cut. Oh my god, this pot is small. Yeah, the pot is small, so I don't want to force issues. Let me change the pot, and yeah, I have changed into a bigger one. So like I said earlier, we are going to cook the fish and then we eat with our greens. That is what we're going to take for supper. And I had washed my fish, removed the scales, and there's some that I had cut because there's some fish that I had big that needed to be cut into 3 parts, but these ones, they were smaller, so I didn't cut them. Yes, so for the one that was cut, that one, and the others I cooked them in full. So during the day we are at the trampoline. The kids are having a good time, having a very good time. Watch out for that and more. Subscribe if you haven't.
Hi, Azami. Aya, come.
Wait for me. No.
Aya, slide down.
Slide down. Slide down.
Aya, slide. Yes, come. Come, Mama. Come down. Aya, Azami, come down. Yeah. You've not been recording you. No. It wasn't recording.
It was
No, it wasn't. Aya, come, Mama. Aya, come. Come down. Aya, 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 Aya. Look at her. Look at her. Come. Come down. Slide. Slide down. Slide. I slide, Mama. Come. Come, hug. Zami. Come, baby. Wow, she's coming. There she goes. There she goes. Slide, mama. Aya, come. Put her this other side. Aya. Go up, mama. Zami, go up. Aya, Zami, go up. Go up. Okay, you can just pass. Let her go slowly. You can go ahead of her. But watch her arms so that you don't step on her hands. No, no, it's okay. You want to take a good video of her going up. And then you go. Up there.
Yes.
Alright,
Just
Zami,
touch
go
it.
up. And slide at the end. Let her come. Then you slide and you reach for her down here. And Zami, come. Come, mama. You come down. Come. You're scared. Alright, come. Come, Zami. Come. Come down. Slide. Wow. Oh, look at that. I was able to capture that. She never allowed me to capture it. Aya.
The next time you're on.
Aya, go on the other side. Aya, jump. Aya, look this other side. Zami. Zami.
Zami was just chilling, and then this boy child was not friendly at all. See how he pushes her? Oh my god. Anyway, kids are kids, so no offense.
Jump.
Zombie. Zombie.
So it is time to go for a small snack at least. So enter the restaurant area so that we can grab a bite. At least the kids eat something small, and then we go back home.